Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply for tourist visa to Argentina step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, Argentina is also a very popular tourist destination in the American continent, and I would like to walk you through the process. I would also like to confirm that neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Ministry of Foreign Affairs, International Trade and Worship of Argentina, and they have a section for tourist visa. So first of all, you need to find out if you really need based on your country or passport, and once you know that you are gonna need it, then we are gonna go through the requirements. Okay, so you can see that for tourist visa what you need to have like following documents: an original and copy to the consular office or embassy near to your location. So there's an e-visa also, we'll go through that in a different video some other day. So passport is going to be valid for at least 6 months and should have 2 blank pages, 2 current photographs. Okay, visa application form, proof of income, at least 3 payslip, last credit card statement, last bank statement, round trip reservation. Trip reservation recommendation: do not purchase tickets before obtaining the visa. Hotel reservation and itinerary: if no hotel reservation has been made, an individual has extended an invitation letter of invitation. Payment, you can see 150 US dollars or euros depending on the consular office. So we'll go through it. Consular interview, okay, it can be granted. All right, so they have 2 links: visa application form and letter of invitation. So let's go through the visa application form, and I open it. So print the form, fill out hand up to field, sign and print in the field 51. Okay, so they have given the instructions. So what are the details they need? Then need the name, parent's name, gender, date of birth, place of birth, nationality, home address. And for people from Lebanese or origin, there is a separate question number 11: home telephone number, address, job role profile, references in Argentina, place of stay in Argentina, date of arrival, date of departure, spouse name, children. If you have applied before, you need to provide details, and some background questions. So you need to answer honestly and truthfully about this. Okay, now let's go through that other invitation form. That is not applicable in every case, but if it requires, we can go through that. Maybe we can have it in English as well. So we'll go through the country specific and there we'll find out. So I'm going to take you to Argentinian embassy, Indian. So this is embassy in India, and here you see that they have various information. Okay, so I've gone to the consular section. So see, they have a link: application process for visas. ETA will go in a different video. So I click on it. So read carefully. The visa section is open. See the timing and the closing dates, and you should be presented at least 4 weeks before so that they can do processing. They are generally processing the order. They are received, but not always. Agents are not required, it's up to you. Visa application form must be filled by applicants. It should be printed on 3 separate pages and not back to back. So be careful about this, guys. Incomplete application will not be accepted, that's true. One recent passport photograph must be pasted on page 3 of the visa application as per the given specification. Intentionally submitting false information, you should never do that. They have some instruction for minor also. If your place of residence in Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal, Sri Lanka or India, except this, they have given you the address. If your place in Maharashtra, Karnataka, you must apply at this. Okay, and if you want to secure the appointment, there's a link, we'll go through that as well. Maximum period of stay 90 days. Fee is 150 USD, but for Indian national free of cost. Wow, for other national like Bangladesh, Bhutan and all, they have to pay this. Passport validity 2 pages left. Visa application form, 2 passport size photo, cover letter, address the visa. Okay, and it should be notarized and should include the following information: a letter from your employer. So you can see that what are the things you need. Round trip flight tickets, only reservations. Hotel reservations. Okay, invitation letters in Spanish, so probably the one that we saw was in Spanish, can also be issued through a system. Okay, all right, fine. So now let's go through that appointment link, how it looks like. And you need to write email. It's a Google form, and through this you can apply. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.